So we're going to make a scatter plot this morning. It's really easy. We should be able to get this done within about 25 seconds. All right, ready? First of all, highlight your 3 columns. All right, the first column, that's going to be our X column, and we're going to have 2 Y columns. We're actually making a pretty complicated graph. Next, we're going to go click on Insert and then Chart. All right, so I'm going to repeat that. We're going to go to Insert and then Chart. And then sometimes it takes a few seconds. Mine happened really fast. Notice we have our graph. We have information here. It tells us which one is which, the percent high population infected versus vaccinated population, right? We have immunization rate down at the bottom, right? And we don't have this side labeled because we have 2 different percents going, so that label is right here. And all you need to do for your data is click the 3 dots, make a copy, and then you're going to go ahead and put it into your lab report. So you're going to go to your lab, right? And you are going to go ahead and paste it. Now, when you're done, go ahead and delete it. But you can either click on the 3 dots again and press delete graph, or you can highlight and press your backspace or delete button. And that's it.